In today's fast-paced, material-driven world, we're constantly bombarded with messages equating happiness to wealth, possessions, and social status. While there's no denying that financial security is an important part of life, it's not the ultimate solution to fulfillment and self-respect. Many people who achieve material success still find themselves feeling empty, unfulfilled, and disconnected. Why? Because true happiness and inner peace come from aligning with your core values, respecting yourself, and living with purpose. Semen retention, a practice that has been discussed for centuries in various cultures and spiritual traditions, offers a profound solution to these challenges. It's not just about abstaining from ejaculation. It's about reclaiming your personal power, sharpening your focus, and creating a life filled with meaning. Stick with me until the end to find out how semen retention can solve many of the problems you face, especially in a world where self-worth is often undervalued and success is measured by external standards. We'll discuss how this practice can lead to self-respect, help you achieve both success and fulfillment, and guide you to a life of balance and purpose. Modern society teaches us to chase money, fame, and material possessions, believing these things will bring happiness. But how many people achieve wealth only to find themselves discontented? The reason is simple. External achievements cannot fill internal voids. Success without self-respect feels hollow because it lacks a foundation built on inner peace and alignment with your true self. Many people struggle with low self-esteem and a lack of self-respect. This is often exacerbated by habits and behaviors that undermine personal integrity. Excessive indulgence in instant gratification, such as unhealthy relationships, addictions, and overconsumption of explicit material, leads to a sense of shame and a diminished sense of self-worth. No matter how much money you make, if you don't respect yourself, you'll always feel like something is missing. Happiness comes from solving problems, and one problem many people have today is low self-esteem, and low self-esteem over time accumulates more problems. Semen retention and nofap can help you build yourself up and make you respect yourself, which will make others respect you as well. Before we move on, I just want to say, if you enjoy these videos and find meaning in them, could you like this video and subscribe to my channel? As a small YouTuber, this helps me reach more people who struggle with pornography addiction, substance abuse, and impulse behavior issues. By liking this video, you play a big role in helping these individuals overcome their darkness. I am truly grateful to every one of you who plays a part in creating a positive change for our community. Moving on, semen retention is the practice of consciously avoiding ejaculation to preserve and channel your sexual energy for higher purposes. And nofap is about avoiding pornography and masturbation and only having sex. This doesn't mean avoiding intimacy altogether. Rather, it's about learning to control your urges and use your energy in a way that enhances your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. If you have a partner but would like to reap the benefits of semen retention, you could abstain for a short period of time, like once every week or longer if you want, and then get back to your normal routine, but nofap is a must. So how does semen retention restore your self-respect? The thing is, every time you engage in a habit that contradicts your higher self, you chip away at your self-respect. Overindulgence in instant gratification, like excessive pornography consumption, not only drains your energy, but also creates feelings of guilt and inadequacy. Semen retention helps you break free from these patterns, giving you a sense of control over your desires and actions. When you master your urges, you begin to see yourself as disciplined and strong. This renewed self-perception builds confidence and self-respect. You're no longer a slave to fleeting pleasures. Instead, you're in control of your life. Semen is a powerful life force. In many spiritual traditions, it is believed to contain vital energy necessary for physical and mental vitality. When you practice semen retention, you conserve this energy and redirect it toward productive endeavors. People who adopt this practice often report higher energy levels, sharper focus, and increased motivation. With more energy and focus, you're able to pursue your goals with greater determination. This sets the stage for both personal and professional success. Semen retention requires self-discipline, which is a cornerstone of success. By learning to control your impulses, you develop the mental fortitude needed to overcome challenges in other areas of life. Discipline spills over into your career, relationships, and personal development, allowing you to achieve more than you ever thought possible. Constantly giving in to desires can leave you feeling emotionally fragile and dependent on external stimuli for happiness. Semen retention, on the other hand, cultivates emotional resilience. It teaches you to find satisfaction within yourself rather than seeking it in fleeting pleasures. This inner stability allows you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and confidence. If you want to learn how to achieve success with semen retention without feeling too pressured when practicing, you also have to learn the practices of Wu Wei, an ancient Taoist philosophy that means effortless action. The Art of Not Forcing is a book that teaches you how to overcome challenges, including semen retention with comfort and ease, without the added stress. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Moving on, semen retention can help you become more productive, which can solve many of your problems automatically by being consistent with things that you would usually avoid. When you avoid things you must do, they just pile up and make you feel overwhelmed. When you're not wasting energy on unproductive habits, you have more time and focus to reflect on what truly matters. Many people find that semen retention leads them to discover or deepen their sense of purpose. Whether it's pursuing a meaningful career, nurturing important relationships, or contributing to society. Living with purpose brings a sense of fulfillment that money alone cannot provide. One of the greatest benefits of semen retention is the clarity it brings. As you break free from habits that cloud your judgment and drain your energy, you gain a deeper understanding of your true values. This alignment helps you make decisions that are in harmony with your authentic self, leading to a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling. Many people who practice semen retention report an increase in their confidence and charisma. This is because retaining your sexual energy amplifies your presence. You carry yourself with a sense of purpose and self-assurance that others find attractive and inspiring. Whether in business, social settings, or personal relationships, this magnetic energy can open doors to new opportunities and connections. Semen retention has been linked to numerous health benefits, including increased testosterone levels, better mental clarity, and improved physical stamina. These advantages not only enhance your quality of life, but also give you the vitality and mental sharpness needed to achieve your goals. Success without fulfillment is like a car without fuel. It looks impressive, but it won't take you anywhere. Semen retention helps you find fulfillment by teaching you to value yourself and your energy. As you channel your energy into meaningful pursuits, you experience a deep sense of satisfaction that no amount of money can buy. Here are a few things you can do to succeed on your semen retention journey. The first and most important thing you need to do is understand why you want to practice semen retention. Whether it's to improve your health, boost your confidence, or align with your higher self, you have to have a clear purpose to keep you motivated on the days you feel like quitting. Knowing your why makes you want to fight back and not give up. Developing self-awareness is key to overcoming impulses. Meditation, journaling, and deep breathing exercises can help you stay grounded and focused. Instead of indulging in instant gratification, Channel your energy into productive activities like exercise, creative pursuits, or learning new skills. Join communities or forums where like-minded individuals share their experiences and advice. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's have a conversation. I would love to hear from you. Having a support system can make the journey easier and more enjoyable. Also, like any worthwhile endeavor, semen retention takes time and practice. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every step forward is a step toward a better version of yourself. If you masturbate daily, don't expect to go 90 days without relapsing a few times. I mean, you can do it, but it takes time. Starting off with 1 week, then 2, and then going for 90 days will make it easier for you. Set realistic goals, which you can achieve in a matter of weeks. Then once you've done that, it will be more realistic to hit the 90 days and beyond mark. Semen retention is more than just a practice. It's a lifestyle that empowers you to take control of your energy, align with your true self, and create a life of success and fulfillment. It teaches you that happiness doesn't come from external achievements alone, but from the respect and love you cultivate for yourself. No matter where you're from or what challenges you face, the principles of semen retention are universal. By mastering your energy and living with purpose, you can solve many of the problems that plague modern life. Most importantly, you'll discover that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the richness of a life lived with intention, discipline, and self-respect. If you made it until here, leave a crown emoji in the comments. I'm doing a little experiment to see how many people make it to the end and finish what they start. Begin your journey today and watch as the practice of semen retention transforms not only your life, but also the lives of those around you. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Take care and stay strong.